Howdy there, guys. This is Old Main Productions, and I'm back at it again today with another Fun Friday video. This video was shot on July 5th, 2020, and was one of the first NS trains I've ever seen, and subsequently, one of the rarest NS trains I've ever seen. Had a good variety of GE and EMD power, and the Special Interest Unit NS 911, honoring our first responders. Also, whole bunch of cars jumped the crossings right before the train came, so this made for a pretty suspenseful catch. I don't believe there are any fallen flags, but there were a great amount of locomotives in the front and a couple on the back, just flying through Shenandoah Junction. So, without further ado, here's the trains, guys. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. We're going to catch Norfolk Southern 13R here at Shenandoah Junction. Oh, these people jumped the crossing. Whoa. Here with the Old Main guy right up there. And have a nice day, everyone.